Did you know that leadership and management are not the same? While often used interchangeably, these roles serve distinct purposes. Understanding their differences is crucial for achieving success in any organization. Subscribe if you are new to this channel and see the description box for the recommended list. Both leadership and management are essential for success. Leaders inspire and guide, while managers ensure processes run smoothly. Together, they create a balanced and effective organization. Let's dive deeper in what is leadership. Leadership is the art of influencing people to embrace a shared vision. It's less about authority and more about inspiration, often thriving in ambiguity. Now let me tell you what are the key focus areas of leaders are. The first is vision. Leaders have a clear vision of painting a compelling future. For example, Elon Musk's Mars colonization goal. He is clear and working towards that. The second one is innovation. Leaders often challenge norms, like Reed Hastings shifting Netflix from DVDs to streaming. And the last one is empowerment. Being leader means empowering the teams. Leaders achieve more while delegating authority. For example, Google's 20% time for employee projects. If you want to know more about these leaders, comment in the comment section below, and we will try to bring the topic of your interest. For example, Satya Nadella transformed Microsoft's culture by shifting focus from know-it-all to learn-it-all mindsets. Leadership is about influence, not authority. True leaders inspire others to follow their vision, creating a shared sense of purpose and direction. Great leaders possess qualities like empathy, integrity, and resilience. They motivate their teams by setting an example and fostering a positive environment. Management focuses on processes and systems. Effective managers ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and resources are utilized optimally. Imagine you're running a business, let's say a cafe. As the manager, your role isn't just about making great coffee. It's about ensuring the cafe runs smoothly every single day. Management is all about structuring things so operations don't just happen. They happen efficiently and predictably. Now, think about the key areas managers focus on. The first is processes. You wouldn't want your baristas making coffee differently every time, right? Standard operating procedures, SOPs, ensure consistency. Whether it's how the coffee is brewed or how customers are greeted, having clear guidelines helps maintain quality. And second is efficiency. Cutting waste is crucial. Suppose you notice that too much milk is getting spoiled because of poor inventory tracking. By optimizing ordering and storage, you can save money and resources, making the cafe more profitable. And third one is risk mitigation. What if an espresso machine breaks down on the busiest day? Managers plan for risks, ensuring backup equipment or training staff to troubleshoot issues so operations don't come to a halt. At its core, management is about putting strong systems in place so that work gets done efficiently, resources are used wisely, and potential disruptions don't throw everything into chaos. Skills like organization, communication, and problem-solving define successful managers. They maintain order and ensure that the team meets its objectives. Leadership and management have distinct roles and responsibilities. Leaders focus on vision and change, while managers concentrate on stability and execution, and without risk management, we cannot move forward. Think of risk management like preparing for bad weather. If there's a forecast for a storm, would you wait until the rain starts pouring, or would you grab an umbrella beforehand? Smart managers do exactly that, but instead of storms, they anticipate business disruptions like supply chain issues, financial instability, or tech failures. Why is it important? Prevents costly downtime. Imagine a factory shutting down because a key component is unavailable. That would mean lost revenue, frustrated customers, and major setbacks. Companies that prepare in advance can keep production running smoothly. Protects reputation. Think about delayed deliveries or data breaches. These can seriously hurt a brand's image. When businesses proactively manage risks, they avoid last-minute chaos and maintain customer trust. Real-life examples. Nike's COVID response. When their usual suppliers shut down, Nike quickly shifted to local manufacturers, ensuring production didn't stop. Apple's chip shortage strategy. In 2021, when semiconductor supplies ran low globally, Apple diversified its suppliers, making sure iPhones continued to roll off the production line. How can businesses apply risk management? SWOT analysis. By evaluating strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, businesses can spot risks early and address them before they cause problems. Risk register. Companies maintain a structured list of possible risks, along with backup strategies, like having alternate suppliers or running cybersecurity drills. In short, risk management is all about thinking ahead instead of reacting when disaster strikes. It keeps businesses stable, saves money, and preserves their reputation. Despite their differences, leaders and managers complement each other. Together, they drive organizational growth and adapt to changing environments. Leaders ask why and what if. Managers ask how and when. Imagine you're running a car factory. You want to build high-quality cars, but you also need to keep costs low, avoid waste, and ensure that every part arrives exactly when it's needed. No sooner, no later. That's exactly what Toyota mastered with lean manufacturing and its just-in-time JIT system. Here's how they did it. Instead of stockpiling parts and materials that might sit around unused, Toyota streamlined their supply chain so that production matched demand precisely. No excess inventory, no wasted motion, and no inefficient processes. Think of it like cooking. You don't buy ingredients weeks in advance and let them go bad in your fridge. You shop just in time based on what you plan to cook. Toyota applies this same logic to manufacturing, cutting unnecessary costs and improving efficiency. Because of this approach, production is faster, they only build what's needed. Storage costs are lower, no extra parts lying around. Quality is higher, fewer recalls compared to competitors. And the best part? This system isn't just good for Toyota's profits, it's also sustainable, reducing waste and optimizing resources. That's why Toyota remains a global benchmark for lean manufacturing. Case studies of effective leaders and managers reveal their impact on organizational success. Their collaboration fosters innovation and efficiency. Balancing leadership and management can be challenging. Many struggle to wear both hats effectively, leading to conflicts and inefficiencies. Strategies like delegation and prioritization help overcome these challenges. Maintaining balance ensures a harmonious and productive work environment. Enhancing your leadership skills involves continuous learning and self-reflection. Seek feedback and embrace opportunities for growth. Improving management capabilities requires honing organizational and communication skills. Utilize resources like workshops and mentorship for development. Continuous growth and development are key to mastering both roles. Stay curious and open to new experiences to evolve as a leader and manager. Integrating leadership and management is crucial for success. By embracing both roles, you can drive your organization towards its goals. Apply these skills in your organization to foster a culture of innovation and efficiency. Encourage collaboration and adaptability among your team. Mastering both roles benefits personal and professional growth. By doing so, you'll enhance your career prospects and contribute to your organization's success. Recap. We've explored the differences and importance of leadership and management. Both roles are vital for organizational success and personal development. Call to action. Embrace the journey of becoming both a leader and a manager. Start today by setting goals for your development and seeking opportunities to grow. Thank you for watching this video.